Good morning, it's Wednesday. We're starting off today different. Today, I gave the girls their biscuit first and Missy's getting her collar so that we can take care of the chickens in peace. So let's go. Come here, girl. Usually I don't even have to shock her, just having it on her, she's fine. Now, let's go take care of the chickens. Y'all know I hate this block. Good morning, girls. Good morning. You be good girls. Missy, come here. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, you good girl. No barking this morning. That was a good girl. Good girl, Siege. And then I hear this on the other side of the barn. The hose blew. So I gotta fix that. So I'm gonna fill this bucket of water up for them and put it in their kennel. There was a frog in there. Bucket's clean, fill it up. And now let's put this in their house.